Okay, today's adventure in outdoor cooking. I bought this kind of unique stand, as you can see here, to go in my fire pit so that we can grill right on top of the flame. I've got a cast iron skillet, and we're doing some little pieces of filet mignons. We're going to see how that turns out. You can hear the crackle of that. It smells delicious. I got a little bit of butter and oil in there, and we're going to see how it turns out, and I'll let you know. Now, we use my own proprietary rub on here today. It's kind of a mix of cumin, some Montreal steak seasoning, some smoked paprika. There's a little bit of rosemary in there, of course, salt and pepper, and a couple other secret ingredients that will only go to my children upon my passing. Oh man, these babies are looking awesome. I got a nice char on the outside. I got my temperature gauge in here. We're going to take them up to about 160 here and let them kind of residual cook to about 165. My wife likes it more medium. I'm more of a medium rare and on the rarer side, but we'll see how these babies turn out. Okay, they are done cooking on fire. Got my filet mignon. We're doing a little bit of steakhouse green beans, and of course, because my wife is Puerto Rican, we are doing maruros. So we're gonna have a great meal here. It was a lot of fun. And these look absolutely delicious. So first time cooking over the flame like that. Great little tool from Lodge to be able to cook right there in the flame. And I hope you have a great dinner as well. And I look forward to seeing you the next time we do another adventures in grilling and smoking. Okay, let's get a totally unbiased opinion from my wife on how these turned out.
Delicious.
All right.
Friggin' amazing.